If you put one of these balls in your bathroom, in your laundry room, and in your kitchen, you'll thank me forever, guys. You'll never have a problem with bugs again. I'm going to start by grating some soap. It can be any brand and color, preferably the cheapest. Because the brand doesn't matter here, you will see how amazing this trick will be. Let's also add 50 g of coffee. It can be any kind of coffee you have at home, spread it well. And 2 tablespoons of fabric softener. The same rule applies to any brand of soap. And the smell is up to you. It depends on what you like best and what you have at home. Finally, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar is essential for this trick. Its smell will help a lot to chase away those unwanted insects. And then we'll mix it really well until all these ingredients are incorporated here. Thank you for following our videos. This is going to be the solution to your problem. It's going to be wonderful. Now we take a piece of aluminum foil and we put out mixture in the middle. Now we close our foil like a bag, just like I'm showing you. And to finish, with the help of a toothpick, you make some holes all over the foil like this. You can make lots of holes so that the smell of the ingredients in our mixture can escape. And look how they look once they are done. Now I'm going to show you where you're going to use them and the best places in your house to put them. The first place to put this little ball is in the pantry. This will scare away all the ants and insects that want to get into your house. You will no longer have the problem of leaving your food, and that's attacking it. This will help a lot with this problem. The same goes for flies and mosquitoes. It's a great natural insecticide. Another place I like to put it is in the rubbish can. It works wonders. No mosquitoes flying through the rubbish. You know when you throw your rubbish in the bin and the mosquitoes fly around looking for it? Well, you won't have that problem anymore. It's even ideal for repelling cockroaches that hang around in the rubbish. You'll never have bugs like that in your house again. It's a nuisance. And the other place I always put it is in our kitchen. It's really good. You don't get, and some cockroaches, put it next to the top. That's the best place. Do it at home. You love this tip. No insect will ever bother you again. Share it with your family and friends. I'm sure they will love this tip. Stay with God. See you in the next video.